Welcome to all. See, yesterday I have given one assignment here. So, this problem was also mentioned in the assignment. Check the injectivity and surjectivity of the function f of x equals 3 minus 4x, defined as f from real number to real number. See, lot of students have made mistake here when checking the properties here. So, let us clarify it. First, injective or 1 or 1 to 1, as we say. See here, injective function, to verify this we have two methods. We can follow the definition, or we can give some values, different elements have different images, then it will be injective. So in our previous problems we have checked it by giving the values here. So given function is f of x is equal to 3 minus 4x. See here, we used to do like this here, real number to real number. So we are go on giving some values here, 0, 1, 2, see here like this. So if I give say 0 here, so I will get 3 minus 4 into 0. So that is 3 minus 0. So 3 minus 0 is what? 3. So 0 is assigned to 3. So 1, if I give 1 here, 3 minus 4 into 1. So 3 minus 4, that is minus 1. So this is. So here we clearly see that this different elements have different images. Different elements have different images. Therefore, f is 1, 1. So no problem here. So some of you have done it correctly. See what happens when we work out this one, surjective or onto. See here, onto. Whenever verifying this property, we have two ways. So we can show that codomain is equal to range. Okay. In our previous problems, we have followed this method. It is also correct. But what happens for this problem here? See here, real number to real. There are so many real numbers are there. So here we cannot specify the range. See, we cannot particularly write what is the range for this problem. Therefore, we should not try to find out this range here. So for this, what we have to do? We have to use another definition here. So what is the definition says for onto? See, for all y belongs to y, that is second, for every element belong to second set, there exists x belongs to x such that y is equal to f of x. So we have to follow this definition for this. For every element there exists an image such that y is equal to f of x. So we have to follow this definition for this here. See what happens here. Given function is f of x is equal to 3 minus 4x. So here f of x means what? Y. See, for every y there exists x. That means y is present here. I have to solve for x here. See what I will do. I will bring minus 4x to left hand side, plus 4x. So plus y to right hand side. See here, 3 minus y. So for every y there exists x. So for every y there is x. So x is equal to 3 minus y divided by 4. So I have solved for x here. So x is equal to 3 minus y divided by 4. See, this, whatever the value we give for y, I will get a real number. So this belongs to real number. Therefore, for all y belongs to y, see here, therefore, so we can conclude this here. For all y belongs to real number, there exists a here x. What is x? 3 minus y by 4. It is a real number such that y is equal to f of x. See this. So for every y there exists x which is a real number such that y is equal to f of x. Follows the definition. Therefore this function is, we can write this as onto. Therefore the given function is onto. So it is 1, 1 and onto. Therefore it is bijective. I hope this one is clear.